A lot of people ask whether they can file Chapter 7 straight liquidation bankruptcy if they own a house. Well, if you have less than $250,000 worth of equity, which is the resale value minus the mortgages, or less than $350,000 equity if you, your spouse, or your dependent is disabled or 60 years or older, you are going to be able to keep that house in Chapter 7 because that's the homestead exemption in Colorado. Now, you just have to remember to keep the mortgage payments current and you'll be fine. If there is equity above the level of the exemption amounts, however, then you're in trouble because the trustee will sell the house. It will give you $250,000 or $350,000 in cash, depending on the category you fit into, and use the rest of the money to pay down your debt. If your equity is higher than the exemption amounts allow, and you want to keep your house, you're going to have to file what's called a Chapter 13 repayment plan instead of a one-and-done Chapter 7 liquidation bankruptcy. If you file a Chapter 13 repayment plan, there's sometimes also a chance to get the second, third, fourth, whatever mortgages voided out or partially voided out. What you need to prove is that the total amount of the secondary mortgages is more than the equity that could be extracted from selling the house. That is not possible to do in a Chapter 7 case, where all payments on all mortgages, regardless of priority, must be kept current. Now, avoiding liens is not as easy as it sounds, however. A formal motion to void the liens must be filed, which is an adversary proceeding that's going to take your case out of the category of simple bankruptcy, and it's going to cost you extra legal fees. You'll also need an official appraisal by a licensed appraiser to back up the claim, and that also costs money. And on top of that, there's no guarantee of success. The secondary lien holders, for example, can submit a competing appraisal to defend their liens against your motion to void them. So you got to keep all of this in mind when you decide what to do. I hope that this video, like the others that are on our Learning Center, will help you get the necessary information that you need to make decisions in your financial future, and whether or not you want to file bankruptcy and what category you want to file under. If you like this video, please make sure that you click the like button because it helps get us onto the Google algorithm and have this video sent out to more people, which helps more people because they'll get more educated. Thanks and have a nice day. Bye now.